Hello friends, welcome to my new video and today I'll tell you the smart way of using VLOOKUP and also the HLOOKUP function. So guys, this is a table which contains some students and their marks. So I'll just start with simple VLOOKUP and then tell you the way to use smart VLOOKUP also. So in the VLOOKUP, we generally use VLOOKUP here and we are just looking for the lookup value Mahesh, and in the table array, this is the table, and then the column index number. So I'm looking for the B column index numbers, which is 2 number. So this is 2 number. Then for exact match, always 0. So this is VLOOKUP I have just used. Now we will drag these numbers here. But when you will drag, you would find that the range becomes incorrect. So always fix the range first. So I would fix the table array range by pressing F4. So now you can see that it is picking the right number, also the right range. If you just drag this formula here, you will find that it is not picking the correct numbers, and the reason is the column number. So if you just look at the column number, you would find that it is changed the first range, this one, and also the column number is still say 2. So what we can do, we will just go there, we will fix this range also. So I'm just fixing it like this one, and then I'll press it here. Then it is just picking the 70 everywhere, and the reason is we given the column number 2. So I'm just telling you the way to change this column number automatically. The one way is we can just go there and we can change 3 instead of 2, and the another is we can just change number 4. So it's working like this now, but this is not a smart way. So now we are going to use the formula of columns. What columns does, columns is a very popular formula to select the column range. So what it does, so it just always calculate a column total column number of any range. So I have just selected 2 columns there, and in these 2 columns if I press, it means 2. If I'll just change this range from here to there, you would find that now column number are 3. So this is what we are going to use for smart VLOOKUP. I'll just put it here, VLOOKUP. So this is the lookup value, this is the table array, and under the column index number I use the put the columns. So I just put it the columns number, and in the range array I would select this range. Fine. Now I close it, press 0, and then finally enter it. But two things we need to do, that is we need to fix the G4 and also the table array. Now if I just take it like this one, so it is still showing 70. Then what we need to do, one more thing which is very important, let's carefully look at it. We will go to the columns array and we will fix the first part of the array. Now we will just drag it, and now it is picking the right numbers. Now I'm going to tell you the use of HLOOKUP also. We generally don't use the HLOOKUP, and it's quite simple. So we just put here HLOOKUP. HLOOKUP always work on the header, so the header of the table should be exactly same. So in the lookup value, I would select this one. In the table array, I'll just select entire table including the heading. Then I'll fix it. Then I'll go to the row index number. Row index numbers means from which row I wanted to pick the number. That is the row number 2. And I'll just drag it. So this is the use of HLOOKUP. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked my video. Thank you very much.